It's pretty exciting. We still have 4 of the buildings to install services into. We are hoping, and we're not sure right now, the plan was always to install Wi-Fi in the buildings and to go out into the community. But unfortunately, when we did this building, we had to install 58 access points, and we're supposed to install up to 200. So we're not sure if we're going to get outside because of the number of access points required in each building, but we'll see. But the goal is to provide free Wi-Fi into each one of the 5 buildings with the opportunity to upgrade to a low-cost internet access into those 5 buildings. Once we do that, what will happen is we'll have the ability to connect to every building in this community. We're having conversation with the New York City Housing Authority. There's an opportunity to apply for an RFP where the New York City is trying to provide low-cost internet access across the city, so we're looking at that as well. We're having a bunch of different collaborative conversations with nonprofits in the Bronx about expanding to the entire Bronx. And the next dedicated project is we are looking to expand into Peekskill, which is my hometown upstate. The thing about that is once we are able to bring services to Peekskill, we'll then be able to provide services up and down from here all the way up into Westchester. So that it could include Mount Vernon, New Rochelle, Yonkers, and other areas, Greenburgh, where there's, again, gaps, areas where there's low-income families. So there's a lot of opportunity, there's a lot of need. How far can we go to connecting, to providing internet access into these communities? But then also, we're looking at, okay, what else can we do once we have the internet available? And that's we're having conversation with healthcare organizations, educational institutions, all to ensure that, again, not only are they connected, but also let's revitalize and let's change the way that we're engaging with these communities so that we're providing a better service. We're being more proactive, more efficient. And what we're hoping, and this is maybe a dream of mine, but is that once you're able to show that these families can engage digitally, and they want to engage digitally, then we can improve the way resources are delivered to those communities so that they're taking advantage of this new efficiency. And if we can do that, then maybe we can cut costs. Maybe we can improve service delivery. Maybe we can ensure that we can fill the gaps where the deserts exist, like food deserts and finance deserts and things like that. So there's a bunch of different ways we look at this stuff, but most importantly, it comes down to let's provide the foundational service of internet access, and let's ensure that the families are able to get it without any limitations, and then we'll figure out everything else. But there's a lot of opportunity, and I think for us, right now it's just a matter of collaborating with the right people, getting in touch with the right funders and organizations and agencies, and making sure we're building the right way. But that's what's next for us.